My title is Resident Service Manager, doctor, lawyer, friend, counselor, you name it. That's what the job is. I teach the class. I actually love teaching the class. That is my enjoyment throughout the day. But I also look at partnering with everybody in the community to make sure that we're all on the same page and that we have one goal in mind, and that is to move the people of Rockford forward. We can put people back into the workforce or into the workforce the first time. So we're partnering with everyone. I mean, we work with Workforce, we work with some of the employers themselves. The UPS has been good. The trades have been coming in and they're offering people opportunity, in the trades. So we're reaching out to the community and waiting on the community to really just say, hey, everybody's on board now. We all have the same goal in mind. That is to improve GEDs. That is to increase diplomas. That is to increase education. All of these things are what Rockford needs in order to progress even faster than what it is. So that is one of the main goals I have, is to make sure that we have those partners at the table so that the residents can see that you still have people that care about you.